Digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or services using digital channels, technologies, and platforms. In contrast to traditional marketing that relies on offline channels like print, radio, and television, digital marketing leverages the power of the internet and electronic devices to reach a broader audience and engage potential customers. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies and techniques to connect with consumers, build brand awareness, and drive business growth. Some key components of digital marketing include search engine optimization, SEO. SEO aims to optimize a website's visibility on search engine result pages, increasing organic traffic through improved rankings. It involves on-page and off-page strategies to align with search engine algorithms and user intent. Content marketing. Content creation and distribution are central to content marketing. Valuable, relevant, and informative content is created to attract, engage, and retain the target audience, positioning the brand as an authority in its niche. Social media marketing. Utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with the audience, share content, and build a brand presence. Paid advertising on social media platforms is also a significant aspect of social media marketing. Email marketing. Engaging with customers through email campaigns, newsletters, and personalized messages to nurture leads and drive conversions. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Paid advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Popular platforms for PPC advertising include Google Ads and social media advertising platforms. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in a specific niche or industry to reach their dedicated audience and promote products or services. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with affiliates who promote products or services and receive a commission for each sale generated through their referral. Online PR and reputation management. Managing the online reputation of a brand through media coverage, customer reviews, and public relations efforts. Video marketing. Utilizing video content to engage audiences, share stories, and showcase products or services. Mobile marketing. Tailoring marketing strategies for mobile devices, including mobile responsive websites, in-app advertising, and mobile-specific campaigns. Data analytics and tracking. Utilizing tools and analytics to measure and track the effectiveness of digital marketing efforts, enabling data-driven decision-making. Chatbots and customer support. Implementing chatbots and automated messaging systems to provide instant customer support and answer queries. Digital marketing offers several advantages over traditional marketing, including better targeting capabilities, real-time performance tracking, the ability to reach a global audience, and cost-effectiveness. By leveraging various digital marketing strategies, businesses can create a strong online presence, attract potential customers, and foster lasting relationships with their target audience. However, it is essential to stay updated with the ever-evolving digital landscape and adapt strategies to align with changing consumer behaviors and technological advancements. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.